Hi everybody! Today we'll figure out how to deploy the ERC20 token. Go to the main page of Smartz.io and click the Login button. For authorization, unlock our MetaMask wallet and then click on the Login with your Ethereum signature button. The MetaMask window appears. Press the Sign button to sign the transaction. Next, go to the store and select the ERC20 token. To create a contract, fill in the following fields. Contract instance name. This is the name of contract instance, which you will see in Smartz dashboard. Name of a token. It should be token human-friendly name consisting of characters, letters, digits, and spaces only. Token symbol or token ticker consisting of 2 to 10 characters. Decimals. Token decimals from 0 to 18, usually set to 18. Is mintable. This checkbox points can token owner mint new tokens. Max tokens count. Used for mintable tokens. Leave the field blank if the number of issued tokens is unlimited. Pre-mint tokens. This amount of pre-mint tokens will be sent to token owner, your current address in MetaMask, when the contract will be deployed. Leave blank for no pre-mint. Is token burnable? This checkbox points can token holders burn their tokens. Is token pausable? This checkbox points can token owner pause token functions. Specify these both functions and click the Proceed button. The platform has generated the code for the smart contract. Click on Deploy button. The MetaMask window appears, where we have to confirm the transaction. Press the Submit button. Now we need to wait a bit until our transaction is mined and included in the blockchain. Excellent! Our smart contract has been sent to the network successfully. In the description, we can see a link to a transaction on the Ethereum network. After a while, the transaction will be confirmed, and we will see a link to the contract in Etherscan and a link to the Smartz dashboard where we can manage the contract. Thank you for your attention. Till next time.